Welcome to my final introductory screencast today about LaSalleMart. I wanted to include some tidbits that didn't fit into the other screencasts. This is Bob Bloom from Toronto, Canada. LaSalleMart is my Joomla e-commerce technology built from scratch using the Joomla 3 series and the superb Akiba framework on Framework. This introductory screencast is one of many that I am producing today, May 1st, 2014. The four areas I wanted to go over: the config, the installation history, continuous development delivery, and Atlassian as part of the way to explode development. The flagship component, called LaSalleMart, is a LaSalleMart wide configuration, and I want to keep it as straightforward as possible. Only things that really are needed, and of course there's a knowledge base article about it. Because there's going to be different installations with different components, I wanted to have an installation history. When you install, uninstall, and upgrade, it gets listed here. Instead of sending me an email, send something that goes directly to the issue tracker, the Atlassian's Jira issue tracker. That way it all gets put in one spot, and we can use the wonderful facilities that Atlassian has to flow through that issue all throughout the code and to collaborate properly. They're working on something. The description field's not showing up, but there it is. I'll get that resolved later. This, which I haven't touched at all, this is Akiba Live Update, and the purpose is to deliver updates to you as fast as possible. When there's an update, you get it within 30 minutes. You can. So if there's a fix, you can get it right away. This is the continuous deployment approach, and behind the continuous deployment approach is continuous development, and it's something going to invest in more and more, and Atlassian's a very important part of that investment to make it happen. So there's been a lot of investment in things that don't make sense if it's a one-person operation, but a lot of things are going to come together because of the setup, which has made it a little longer getting the first release out. But in terms of getting lots of teams involved and having distributed development and continuous delivery, continuous development, all that stuff, and to continually invest in it to make that infrastructure even better, and to be able to deliver more varied things like apps and all that. It's set up. That's been done, that investment, and I wanted to get that across again. But I applaud the live update feature and the Akiba release system, which was a very important aspect of getting that final mile onto your site. So I have written about this in my blog, and I have talked about this in my monthly podcast. Thank you very much for watching.